Welcome to RoomSketcher. My name is Sarah, and in this short video, I'll walk you through how our platform works, from creating professional floor plans to generating impressive 3D visuals, and I'll also show you where to find helpful resources so you can start creating right away. When you sign up, this is where you start. This is your web portal. Think of it as your hub. In the top corner, you'll find your account settings, and this is where you can adjust things like your measurement units or switch between dark mode and light mode. You'll also see your available credits here. Your subscription determines which tools and features you have access to. Credits are our usage-based system, and you use them when you generate specific outputs or use our services. You'll always see the credit cost before you generate anything. In the sidebar, you'll find Home and Projects. This is where you navigate between your work. Under Styles, you can set up your floor plan style. Things like colors, perspective, branding. Pro subscribers can create one style, while Team subscribers can create and manage multiple styles. So let's get started. To create a new floor plan, click New Project. From here, your starting point depends on what you have. If you don't have an existing floor plan, you can draw a floor plan from scratch on your computer or tablet. Or if you have an iPhone or iPad with LiDAR, you can use our Floor Capture app to capture the space. If you'd like a step-by-step walkthrough of drawing from scratch, we've created a short guide to help you get started. And if Floor Capture sounds like the right fit, you can learn more and apply to join the beta in this video. If you already have a floor plan or sketch, you have 3 options, and for each of these, we have created a short video that walks you through how it works. You can upload your plan and let AI Convert transform it into a digital plan that you can edit. You can upload a plan and trace it manually inside the app, or you can order a professionally redrawn plan from our redraw services team, where the finished plan will be delivered the next business day. One of the most powerful things about RoomSketcher is that once you have a floor plan, you can easily make changes at any time. Think of the RoomSketcher app as your floor plan editor. This is where you refine layouts, adjust walls, furnish the space, and generate 3D visuals. You can download the app to your computer or tablet. Once it's installed, you can open any project directly from your web portal. So I'll click Edit an App. This is the easy-to-use RoomSketcher app. The Mode menu is where you build and edit your floor plan, and the main hamburger menu gives you access to additional tools and settings. Let's make a quick change. This room is missing a sofa, so I'll open the furniture library and add one here. As you can see, changes happen instantly. When all the edits have been made, make sure to save your project. Then return to your web portal to generate your updated floor plans. So here's my project. Click to generate the floor plans to make sure you have the latest changes reflected. From here, you can also download or print everything you need. If you'd like to explore the space interactively, click Live 3D. You can be in flyover mode and walk around as if you're actually inside the space. And if you ever need help, our support team is just a click away via chat, or you can email support@roomsketcher.com. And that's it. You're ready to get started. Welcome to RoomSketcher. We're glad you're here.